Well, we got a cold front through early this morning, and it came through without much fanfare. I think the most impressive thing about it was the lightning show. The winds kind of predicated that, and we saw an awful lot of horizontal lightning out of it, cloud to cloud. But there's a low pressure area that's kind of anchored over Alaska, very cold low, and the trough extends down the Gulf of Alaska, and it ejects short waves, and when those waves churn up into the colder air, it breaks it loose and it comes south by latitude and also sinks toward Earth's surface. So we're going to get a couple of more of those. We have formed a low pressure area that's kicking out to the northeast, no real impact on us. Our winds are getting lighter. They're going to shift tomorrow, and what we'll end up seeing then is another kind of warm day because we're dealing with dry air. The other thing I thought too, with the winds dropping down tonight and starting to shift a little more northwest toward morning, areas that got the good precipitation, we may see a little fog develop in the early morning hours. I'd kind of keep an eye out for that, but very little to show on satellite radar. It's pretty much open skies, and that's why the heat's rising up and out of here. Good radiational cooling, still weak cold air advection from the north. Temperatures have been dropping down. They're in mainly the 50s. We've got a few 60s out to the east, Waco in there, and then College Station 63. Sustained winds were gusty, but you can see they're dropping down, getting quite light. Some of them have gone calm, and the gustiness, we've pretty much lost that. So basically, with these temperatures coming down through the night, we'll see the numbers in the 40s and 50s tomorrow morning. That's when the temperature and dew point is going to be close enough to saturate, and areas that are more moist could develop that fog. As we move through the day, because it is dry air, it will be heating fairly rapidly. Our winds will come around a little bit to the west. That westerly wind flow is dry and warm, so we'll see those temperatures come up and then drop tomorrow night. But tomorrow night we get another front. Watch a little bit for that fog in the early morning hours. We'll be down the middle 40s. Outlier areas, low spots may drop into the low 40s. 81 tomorrow because of that dry air heating rapidly and those winds shifting back to the west a bit. And then tomorrow night, we'll run another cold front in, get a gusty north wind for Tuesday, hold those temperatures down, warm a little ahead of the next cool surge. We'll run that front in on Friday, and then next weekend we should be pretty much mild on the cool side. That's the way it shapes up for you, Chris.
All right, Bill, thanks so much.